The pressure from a force is the amount of perpendicular force that is applied to a unit area of a surface. Remember that pressures are caused by forces spread out over a surface, including those from fluids. So pressure is equal to the force normal to a surface divided by the area of the surface. In symbol form, that is P equals F divided by A. The normal force is the force acting perpendicular to the surface, and then the surface area is simply the total area of the surface. When using this equation in an exam, the required area will be clearly stated, or at least it can easily be calculated. For example, it might be a rectangle clearly perpendicular to the force. The force is measured in newtons, the area is measured in meters squared, and then the pressure is measured in pascals. And 1 pascal is the pressure from a 1 newton force spread out over a 1 meter squared surface. We can also measure pressure in atmospheres, where 1 atmosphere is equal to the pressure from air at the Earth's surface, but we must convert to pascals for this equation. Let's have a look at an example. A canister of gas has a surface area of 1.2 meters squared and is filled with hydrogen gas. The hydrogen exerts an outward pressure of 156 pascals on the canister. Calculate the total outward force the gas exerts on the canister. Remember that the gas exerts pressure on the whole surface as the gas particles collide with all of the walls. So for step 1, let's list the key information and check the units. The surface area is equal to 1.2 meters squared, and the pressure is equal to 156 pascals, and we want to calculate the total outward force. For step 2, let's rearrange the pressure equation to make force the subject. So we can do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by area. And the equation becomes pressure multiplied by area is equal to the force. Then for step 3, let's substitute the values to calculate the force. So here, all we've done is flip the equation we found in the previous step, so the force normal to a surface is equal to the pressure multiplied by the area of the surface. So the force is equal to 156 pascals multiplied by 1.2 meters squared. So the force is equal to 187.2 newtons.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!